The transpose command is used to swap rows and columns in a dataset. It flips the orientation of a table, turning rows into columns and columns into rows. This transformation helps in analyzing data from a different perspective. Transpose is useful for transforming data tables to make analysis easier. It switches columns to rows and vice versa, which can improve data visualization and help in handling data more effectively. It is especially helpful when preparing data for reports or charts. Consider a table with 3 columns: time, sales, and profit. The rows represent different months, like January, February, and March. Each cell contains data corresponding to sales and profit for each month. This is the typical untransformed layout. After applying transpose, the table orientation changes. The original row labels become column headers. Sales and profit become rows, while January, February, and March become columns. This flips the data, presenting it in a new structure that may suit different analysis needs. The simple syntax to use the transpose command consists of a pipe symbol followed by the word transpose. This basic command flips the table orientation without additional options. The transpose command offers options such as column name and header field. The column name option lets you specify a name for the new columns created after transposing. The header field option identifies which field to use as the headers in the transpose table. These options help customize the output. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.